Hi, thanks everyone for your feedback about the first episode. It was so positive, I've decided to do more. So this episode we're going to review some Aldi dishwashing powder. It's the Aldi brand dishwashing powder is called Logix with an X. It's 1 kilo. It's lemon fragrance and it's got active oxy micro bubbles in it. Memory, this was like $4.87, so it's pretty cheap for a dishwashing powder. Okay, so we'll give it a go. So I've stacked the dishwasher, and so now we've just got to put this powder in. It's a Bosch. I didn't pay for it. I'm renting. Okay, so we just get the, so it's got a child cap on it. So we'll just get that off. And then oh, there we go. Okay. So that took a bit to do. Alright, so that's a bit tricky. But alright, so I'm just gonna put, I don't know. Remove excess food scraps. Pack dishes into dishwasher. To open cap, squeeze cap, yep. Fill cap. Fill cap. So you just need a cap. So I'll put the cap in. Alright, so I'll put that into that little bit there. Close it. I'm just going to put it on normal. So that's going to be 2 hours and 20 minutes to finish that. I might come back. Okay, so it's 2 hours and 20 minutes later. So the dishwasher's finished. So I'm just going to open it up now. It's night time now, and have a look. Okay, so right, okay. It's pretty clean. That's very shiny and very clean. And that is not clean. It's got some bits on it, but that's in a part of the dishwasher that always seems to get dirty. I think that's something to do with the dishwasher. Yep, that's all. Look at that, the light shining off that. That's very shiny, very clean. It's pretty clean. Like, it doesn't have that sound, but that's very shiny. That's like, and that's, oh, that's got the sound. That does have the sound. So that's very clean. I'd give it a 6.5. Maybe, no, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. But for price, you know, and if you don't have visitors coming over, it's completely fine.